Why are some sniper rifle barrels ridiculously long, even though it comes with major downsides? The answer might surprise you. Take the CheyTac M200 Intervention. Its barrel stretches nearly 30 inches, or the Barrett M82, another absolute beast with a massive barrel. But why design them this way? Wouldn't a longer barrel just slow the bullet down? Most people assume that more barrel means more friction, and more friction means less speed. Seems logical, right? But it's actually the opposite. Here's what's really going on. When a sniper pulls the trigger, the gunpowder ignites and releases explosive gases that propel the bullet forward. In a short barrel, those gases escape too quickly, wasted power. But in a longer barrel, there's more time for those gases to expand and fully push the bullet. That means more speed, more energy, and way better accuracy over long distances.